Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Understanding heavy-duty truck maintenance costs, a practical guide for operators. Keeping heavy-duty trucks on the road isn't cheap, but understanding maintenance costs is key to running a profitable operation. Repairs, routine upkeep, and unexpected breakdowns all add up, impacting budgets and timelines. For trucking businesses, every dollar counts, and staying on top of these expenses directly affects your bottom line. In this video, we'll break down what you need to know to manage and reduce these costs effectively. Factors affecting maintenance costs. When it comes to maintaining heavy-duty trucks, costs can vary widely depending on several key factors. Understanding what drives these expenses is essential for predicting and managing them effectively. Let's break it down into the most significant influences. Age and condition of the truck. Older trucks or those in poor condition will likely demand more frequent and costly repairs. As trucks age, essential components like engines, transmissions, and brakes experience wear and tear that becomes harder to ignore. Think about it, an older truck is like an aging athlete. It may still perform, but it needs more care to keep going. Rust, outdated parts, and degrading systems can add up fast. If your truck has been on the road for years or hasn't been well maintained, expect maintenance costs to climb steadily. Type of usage. How a truck is used plays a major role in its upkeep. Trucks hauling heavy loads regularly or navigating harsh terrains, like construction sites or mountain roads, face greater strain. Everyday highway hauls are far less demanding than being stuck in stop-and-go urban traffic or encountering off-road obstacles. Even weather conditions matter. Extreme heat or cold can stress key systems, such as tires and cooling systems. So, if your trucks are working extra hard, they'll need extra care to keep running smoothly. Brand and model variability. Not all trucks are created equal, and some last longer than others with less maintenance. Replacement parts, service availability, and overall build quality differ across manufacturers. For instance, a well-known, durable brand might offer better long-term value by holding up longer between repairs, but their parts could cost more upfront. On the flip side, cheaper brands might save you money initially, but the need for frequent repairs or hard-to-find parts could lead to higher long-term expenses. It's all about striking the right balance. Maintenance practices. Regular maintenance is your best defense against skyrocketing costs. Trucks that follow routine checks, like oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections, tend to break down less often. It's like going to the doctor for a checkup rather than waiting for a major health issue to pop up. Skipping even small services can open the door to bigger, costly problems down the line. Consistent record keeping and preventive care ensure that small fixes today don't turn into expensive overhauls tomorrow. Fuel type and efficiency. The type of fuel your truck uses impacts more than just your fuel bill. It also affects your repair costs. Diesel engines, for example, are known for their durability but can be expensive to repair when things go wrong. Gasoline engines may cost less for routine maintenance but can wear out faster under heavy workloads. Then there's the question of efficiency. Trucks with higher fuel efficiency often require less engine strain, reducing the likelihood of mechanical issues. Choosing the right fuel type for your workload is a smart way to keep maintenance costs in check. By considering these factors carefully, you can make better decisions and gain more control over your truck maintenance expenses. Each angle offers a chance to optimize costs without sacrificing performance. Common maintenance tasks. Proper maintenance helps heavy-duty trucks stay reliable, safe, and efficient on the road. Regular upkeep not only ensures performance but also reduces the risk of costly emergencies. Let's look at the most common maintenance tasks and why they matter. Oil changes and lubrication. Routine oil changes and lubrication are key to preventing engine wear. The engine is the heart of your truck, and oil is like its lifeblood. Old or contaminated oil loses its ability to lubricate, leading to friction and overheating. Over time, this can cause serious engine damage, which is far more expensive than regular oil changes. Most trucks require oil changes every 15,000 to 25,000 miles, depending on usage and manufacturer recommendations. Along with fresh oil, proper lubrication of moving parts, such as joints and bearings, keeps the truck running smoothly. Neglect this and you'll run into downtime that could cost you thousands. Brake system maintenance. A well-maintained brake system is non-negotiable for heavy-duty trucks. With their size and weight, truck brakes work harder than those of regular vehicles. Brake pads, rotors, and calipers endure enormous stress, which means inspections should be routine. Brake system repairs vary. Replacing worn pads or rotors can cost a few $100s, but letting the issue escalate could lead to costly repairs, like hydraulic system replacements or air compressor malfunctions. A regular inspection and addressing small issues quickly keeps costs lower and ensures safety on the road. Tire maintenance and replacement. Tires play a crucial role in both safety and cost efficiency. Poorly maintained tires not only compromise safety but also affect fuel efficiency. Worn-out treads increase the risk of blowouts, which are dangerous and expensive. Routine tasks include tire rotations, alignments, and balancing. These help prevent uneven wear and extend tire life. Alignment issues, for example, can lead to premature tire replacement. A full set of truck tires could cost anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000, so keeping them in good shape is a smart investment. Regular inspections for tread depth, pressure, and sidewall damage should never be overlooked. Transmission and engine repairs. Transmission and engine issues are among the most expensive repairs in heavy-duty trucks. Ignoring warning signs such as gear slipping or delayed acceleration can lead to severe damage. A typical transmission rebuild could set you back $3,000 to $8,000, while engine overhauls might exceed $10,000. Preventive maintenance is the best way to avoid such expenses. Regular fluid checks and timely replacement of filters help keep these systems running smoothly. Addressing small problems, such as leaks or strange noises, early on prevents larger breakdowns down the line. Electrical system maintenance. From the starter to the alternator, the electrical system in heavy-duty trucks is complex but essential. It powers vital components like lights, sensors, and the HVAC system. Electrical problems can lead to unexpected downtime and costly repairs if left unchecked. Tasks like inspecting wiring, checking battery health, and testing connections are crucial. Corrosion on battery terminals or a weak alternator can cause cascading issues. Replacing a truck battery might cost $300, but ignoring electrical faults could lead to system-wide failures costing thousands. Routine electrical maintenance ensures your truck is ready to hit the road without interruptions. Maintenance ensures performance and keeps your costs manageable. Staying proactive with these tasks is the key to long-term reliability and lower repair bills. Unexpected costs and budgeting. Owning and running heavy-duty trucks isn't just about managing predictable expenses like routine maintenance. It's the unexpected costs that often catch operators off guard, throwing budgets into disarray. Staying prepared means understanding what can go wrong and having a financial plan to handle it. Let's explore 3 key areas that heavily influence those unplanned expenses. Emergency repairs. Emergencies never come at a convenient time, and for truck operators, they can seriously disrupt both operations and budgets. A sudden breakdown on the highway or in a remote area may not only require immediate towing services but also expedited labor or after-hours repair fees. Here are some common emergency repair scenarios. Blown tires. Tire blowouts can cost thousands, especially if they cause further damage to the truck. Engine failure. This can ground a vehicle instantly, leading to major downtime. Brake system faults. Ignoring early warning signs often results in costly roadside failures. Unplanned repairs don't just cost money, they also waste time. Every day off the road means lost revenue. Planning for emergencies, like setting aside 10–15% of your maintenance budget, ensures you're not caught off guard when problems arise. That's it for part 1. We've covered the basics of maintenance costs, but there's more to come. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into specific maintenance tasks and how to budget for them. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.